then I get rid of the rod. Bust his head, go to jail and beat the charge. These all chrome 4G autos represent the fall. Hit the hood, get my head blue like Millhouse and March. Back to the subject, that's supposed to be your boy. Fuck the discussion, grab that cutter with the sword. Play with one of mine and I'm uppin' with that rod. More lead than a pencil, you don't wanna see me draw. Catch you talking on your cell phone, bullets in your drawer. I'm hitting from the street, I ain't pulling in your yard. I keep a hot rod, I can pull in your garage. I'ma get the business clear for my motherfucking boy. Get the business clear, nigga, get the